YouTube, Jeremy Wright here, working with this 91 Formula Firebird. This is the hatch pull down assembly. So looking at the back of the car, boom, this is the soft close hatch pull down. This one had a micro switch failure. I have actually rebuilt the micro switch by hand. These bushings in the rail tracks were replaced, and I have to say I would not buy the bushings off eBay. They're not really appropriately sized. I had to sand the edges on them, and even still they need to be lubed and greased, and I'm going to do that in a moment. But watch how tight they are. Way tight. It has to go all the way down before the other micro switch in the, did you hear that? That's the other micro switch that was flipped in the bottom. Now it should go up, but gosh, it's just so tight, super inappropriate. So I'm going to put some lube on this, get the latch cleaned up and lubricated as well, and then I might just take it apart and sand these bushings some more. Not very happy with them. I think they were 3D printed based on measurement, but they don't fit real well. So whatever. I'm glad we have eBay. I'm glad there are people who are at least trying to make stuff like that. There are some of the old parts. This was one of the housing bits for the motor that's in this. Yeah, I literally totally rebuilt this. New motor, new housing, new gear. Rebuilt one micro switch, rebuilt the hinge and latch assembly, and serviced that. So yeah, thanks for checking that. Rock on 3rd Gens.